In 2013, I was asked to create a mural idea for the foyer of the local PBS station in Cookeville, Tennessee. They wanted me to tie into the elements that were being used nationally throughout PBS stations, which included this bubble motif or circular motif, and then they had circles of the individual scenes from various programming. So with that in mind, I created a scale model, and my idea was to paint the circular motif on the wall and then have the scenes on wood panels that were slightly dimensional. So this is a small area that I'm working. The first thing I needed to do was to paint the wall, so I papered and plasticed all the area in the front. I'm working at night because they're conducting business during the day. And here's my setup with 2 ladders on either side of the bench. It was adhered to the wall. It was a permanent installation, so I couldn't move it. These are some of the stencils that are circles that I use for my stencils. Here are the stencils, actual stencils that I used in producing this. I painted the wall with the various colors, tying in with what was already in the foyer. And then I applied the stencils and started with the bubbles and the circles, as you can see here. The ceilings in there were 12 or 14 feet tall. I think it was 14-foot ceilings. And here is more of a final vision of the circles. I took the paper and the plastic off of the bench. Got a good look at it to see if there was any areas to finesse or change. And then here is a shot from outside looking in at night with the lights on. Thought it looked pretty good. Then I took in the studio wood that I prepped and primed and then painted these individual scenes. They are dimensional off the wall. There were 5 of them there. They could be changed out actually, all hanging separately. And there I am for scale, so you can see the finished product.